Introducing the impressive 2020 Volvo Xc90 T8 Twin Phev Rdsn 85-door auto in sleek grey. This stunning MPV is powered by a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine with automatic transmission, delivering both power and efficiency. Packed with comfort and safety features, including satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride for you and your passengers. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this Volvo. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exceptional vehicle. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Experience luxury and performance in the 2020 Volvo Xc90 T8 Twin Phev Rdsn 85-door auto.